Smedley McSmedrickson.
Action cat! Yo!
Boom, ba-doom, 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 boom, ba-doom, 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 boom. This is Supreme Leader. Okay, McSmedrickson, we are having changed orders. Yeah, so we ran the numbers on this whole take over the world plan thing, and it would take like 1,000 years to mesmerize all the humans with sexy eyes. Yeah, so your new orders are to infiltrate the humans. You will be charming, and how you say? Devil may care. You will make yourself useful, but not too useful. Is clear? No? No. Wait. You said no. No is no and no is yes. Yes. No, appreciate all the attitude and Smedrick song. Super out. Yeah. Prima donna. Summers, that is.
So, Smedley, how's world domination going today?
I was thinking that since I'm not really evil, there didn't seem to be much point in taking over the world for good.
So, you're more dark and mysterious like Batman?
I'm more of a Mark Wahlberg from The Fighter. Amy Adams, my little chunky monkey.
You're such a perv. Or Denzel in anything.
He certainly seems to get your panties in a bunch, doesn't he?
Or you know who.
Yes, rather.
But Sean Connery or Daniel Craig?
Actually, I think I would bring a bit of panache to the role. Ah, Moneypenny, care for a good old heavy petting session for old time's sake? Stop touching me! Pet me now, you fool! Gaze into the eye. That is not even anatomically possible with that croissant.